I learn how to learn. I am knowledge.
There are three areas critical to the success of the Black community in Africa and the African diaspora. They are culture, education, and economics. In this video series, we continue to examine issues and concepts related to education and self-love, which those who care about the Black community may examine and consider. Culture is the foundation of self-love. Again, what is culture? The word culture comes from the word cultivate, which is related to the domestication and growth of. But culture is a way to cultivate and civilize people. This is done first by establishing universal laws and standards of behavior. We call those universal laws the guiding principles of peace and unity. It is an ethical, moral framework that says do good, do no harm to others. You can get a copy of the guiding principles of peace and unity at our website, thegppu.org, in the resources section at the top. With these universal laws as a foundation, culture will 1. Prepare you for life, 2. Foster your growth, and 3. Improve you as a person and a community. You can watch our previous videos to understand why we need culture and how it helps us create civilization at thegppu.org in the Living section.